Time to lick the beaters. Time to lick the beaters. Olive, you want to lick a beater? Want to lick a beater, Olive? Junior loves licking beaters. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, Dale. Usually I have one in each hand and 2 dogs on each beater. Because when I'm filming, I don't have that. So we're just going to do this for right now. There you go. Alright, buddy. Dale, wait, Junior, no. Junior, wait. Come here, buddy. Here, Dale. Here's Dale. Come here, buddy. On the other side, buddy. Go around. Go around, buddy. Dale's on this one. Come here, buddy. Oh, shoot. I'm going to drop him. Hold on. Oh, now my hands. Oh, shoot. No, my hands off. Okay. No. But, Junior, please. Junior, back up. Go ahead. Back up. Buddy, come around, buddy. Right here, buddy. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Alright, there's buddies. Junior, wait. You get on buddies if you're going to help any. Buddy and Junior share beaters, usually. Dale and Olive share beaters. So I'm going to go back to Olive in a minute and give her the rest of what's left. Always be fair with the beaters, just like with kids. You have 2 kids, they each get a beater. or just like with kids, you got to be fair. So 2 kids each get a beater. 3 kids, 1 gets left out. So, but with dogs, you make sure everybody gets a fair portion. Oops. Ah, crap. Now I just spilled that on me. Alright, here. You get the rest on me. Alright. So, just want to let you know. When you're done making your treats, don't let all your treat stuff go to waste if you have stuff that's not going to hurt your dog in it. All my stuff's pre-cooked before I cook it. Oh, it's not pre-cooked. I cook it, and then I cook it again. I cook it all up and blend it all up into mush, and then I grill it all up into treats for my dog. So, they love homemade treats. As you can see. Alright, thanks guys. Lick these clean and then I can wash them. Thank you.